Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. Today's video we are going to discuss how to handle the windows. So let's go to my practice website. So here we have three types of windows. Once I click here, we will be switched to another window. A new window will be opened, and this windows pop-up windows, a small pop-up will be shown. And we have model windows. Model windows is usually when we are entering into a new website, it will ask for us to register. So that type of window is called as model window. So how do we handle this window? I'll show any one of the windows how to handle it. So I'm going to handle this window. While inspecting, we can see that we have an ID, which is ID 1. So I have already given the first 4 steps, usual steps. Now I am giving wd dot find element by dot id, and the id is id1. This is going to be returned as a web element, so I'm going to store inside a web element. Web element, let's give this as click button. We are going to perform a click operation here. So next step is click button dot click. Once we have clicked this button, this will be redirected to another window. So how do we switch to another window? For that, we have a method called getWindowHandles, which Selenium provides us. So getWindowHandles is returned as a set of string. So I'm going to store it inside a set of string, and I'm giving the name as windows. Since we have multiple windows, we are going to handle multiple windows. I'm using iterator. This is going to be returned as an iterator, so I'm going to store inside an iterator. Iterator it is equal to this iterator. I'm going to give as string. Now it dot next. This is going to be our current window. So I'm giving this as string parent window. Parent window is the current window, and we are going to switch to the child window. It dot next. This is the child window. String child window. So how do we know that this statement is the parent window and this statement is the child window? Because this is an linked list, so it follows an sequential order, an inserted order. wd dot switch to dot window, we are going to switch from parent window to the child window. So after saving the program, I'm running this. Let's see the output. Yes, we were able to successfully switch to another window. Since this is a dummy window, it just shows us a message that the service is unavailable. Similarly, we can perform the same action for all the windows. For example, if I'm clicking on this button, you see we have the ID as ID2. So let's see how does it work for the pop-up window. In pop-up window, you can see that once we click on it, it shows a message, close this window. So while I'm inspecting here, I wanted to select this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to find the XPath for this window. Just copy and copy full path, or we can give relative XPath as well. I'm just giving this absolute XPath. Now what I'm gonna do is after switching to the child window, I wanted to click. So find element by dot XPath, and we know this XPath dot click. Okay, now let us see the output. You see the program is still executing because I think it couldn't find the element. Let us terminate this manually. Since it is a dummy website, I think it couldn't find the exact XPath. So friends, this is the end of the video. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Thank you.